Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling WSL2 and virtualization in Windows features, and, if needed, your BIOS. Once done, install Windows Terminal from the store and add the official Kali Linux distro. You must set WSL default to version 2 with WSL set default version 2 so you get full compatibility. This avoids legacy limitations. Create your Kali user account on first launch and update packages with sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This gets you ready to use the Kali terminal on Windows. You now configure the shell and essential tools. Change your default shell to Bash or ZSH. Modify your Windows terminal profile to launch the Kali profile directly for faster access. Install core packages with sudo apt install y Kali Linux default, or install only the tools you need to save space. To run GUI apps, install and run an X server like VC XSRV on Windows and export display equals 0 or use localhost 0. This lets graphical Kali tools appear seamlessly in your Windows desktop. You finish by persisting environment tweaks, add exports, path adjustments, and aliases to ~/ bashrc or ~/ zshrc so your terminal stays consistent. Make sure to shut down WSL between big changes with WSL shutdown and keep your Windows WSL kernel updated for best performance. If something breaks, check WSL LV to confirm the distro runs under WSL2. Inspect /etc/hosts and resolve networking, and verify your X server isn't blocked by Windows firewall. Correcting those 3 usually fixes display and network issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.